Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device. Make sure the battery is above 20% and the screen is unlocked so the phone won't interrupt the process. Once done, press and hold the power key until the power menu appears. This avoids accidental reboots. Next, press and hold the power off option until a safe mode prompt shows. You do this because safe mode disables third-party apps, isolating issues. When the prompt appears, tap OK or Restart to boot into safe mode and continue. Once the device restarts, verify safe mode by looking for the label in a corner or in Settings. This confirms third-party apps are disabled. You should then reproduce the problem while in safe mode to see if it disappears, because that tells you whether a downloaded app causes the issue. Next, go to Settings Apps, sort by recently installed, and disable or uninstall suspect apps one at a time. Make sure to reboot into normal mode after each change to check whether the problem is resolved. To finish, simply restart the phone to exit safe mode and return to normal operation. This re-enables all apps automatically. If the issue returns, clear cache for culprit apps or consider a factory reset as a last resort because it removes persistent software corruption. If the device won't boot or safe mode won't engage, power off and enter recovery mode to wipe cache partition or run diagnostics. If problems continue, contact the manufacturer or a technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.